Hi YouTube, this is a C# tutorial done by Guruji to find the area of a cycle using some small little line of code. So sit back and enjoy the tutorial. Thank you. So in this tutorial, we are going to give it a little title. This is a tutorial to find the area of a cycle. You see, as I'm typing, yeah, this is it. So exactly after this, we're gonna give it a comment for initialization. So now just give it a comment. Initialization of variables. And see, I'm still typing. Okay, that is it. Now we are going to initialize all our variables. So we use double equals to pi because pi is always in double. So the value of pi is 3.14, and the area also, that's where our own final result is going to pop up. So we'll not give it a value yet. So now the output, so let's type console dot write line, open a bracket and put a full column, okay, let's continue. So enter the radius of the circle. So now this is where we're going to end. This one is going to pop up before we enter the area, the radius of that cycle. So now let's make it accept an input. So the radius is an integer. So int r, that's the radius, equal to convert. We are going to convert it to integer. Dot 2 int 32 open bracket. Then we put it the console as right. Console dot read line, because it's going to read whatever we input and then perform the manipulation separately. So now this is where the calculation is going to take place. Now let's start it where we need the area now. So now let's start area equal to radius multiply by radius multiply by pi, because the area of a cycle is pi r square. So radius, that is it. So now let's move ahead. We say console, this will the output, our own output, this is where the result is going to come up. So now we say console write line open bracket, then we type the radius, the area of the cycle, sorry for that, the area of the cycle is, then we put it. So now we're going to add the area to pop up here. We add addition sign, then we put the area there, then we'll add another addition sign. Definitely it might be in any centimeter, but we are going to use it in centimeter now. So let's close it. Okay, yes, semicolon, type semicolon. So now we have finished writing our code. So we need to test the code and see if really it will run without an error. So now let's go ahead. We'll press the start button. Yes, the console window appears. And what can we see here? See what we've typed before. The string we typed before. Enter the area of a cycle. Let me assume the area is 5 and we'll press enter. Automatically we'll find the answer within a nanosecond. So now let's see our codes again. Let's see what we have here. So now you see all the code is here. We are error free of this code. That is a command line up there. So now let's see. This is the conversion and this is our own output. The first line, that's our initialization. This is where the calculation took place, and this is our output. This one, that is where it holds the console. So thank you for listening and thank you for watching. Bye. Thank you for watching this video. All you need to do now is just to subscribe, comment and share this video so that other people can be able to learn from it as well as you have learned from it. So see you in my next video tutorial on C#. Thank you.